Hello everyone. Today we have with us Mr. Hari Nageshwaran, Executive Vice Chairman of Hallmark Infrastructure Private Limited. He's here to tell us more about his company and about the recent trends in the real estate scenario. Hello, sir.
Yeah, good morning everyone.
Sir, can you tell us more about your company?
We at Hallmark, we are in infrastructure. We are promoting large number of housing projects. The company is headed by Mr. P.N. Devarajan, who is the founder of Reliance. And he was also a former member of the board of Reserve Bank of India. And I also come from infrastructure background. I was in Gammon, India. And I was also vice chairman of one of the largest Swiss companies called Buehler. And now we are promoting a large number of projects in South India.
What is your focus in real estate?
There is a meltdown in real estate, so our focus is changing as the market conditions change. At the moment, the mantra is budget housing. We are in the process of offering the common man flats at affordable prices. We're going to launch flats at 9,90,000, which is really affordable, and in the prime area of New Chennai, which is a satellite city of Chennai, and which is very close to the IT sector. That is one of the areas that we are going to. We are also getting away from only retail segment as such. We are going to be in warehouses. We're going to build budget hotels because there is an economy going around. So people want to stay away from large 5-star hotels. They want to stay in budget hotels. So we're going to build some hotels. We've recently signed a hotel project with the Taj Group of Hotels for a budget hotel called Ginger Hotel.
What is so unique about your company? What is your USP?
Our USP is a very professional team. We believe in quality. We believe in timely completion of project. We believe in what we say to the customer. So it means that fulfillment of all the commitments. So we are in the new age. We are building flats, buildings, projects to global standards. So we maintain the highest traditions in the industry. We want to give to the client what he would get in any other part of the world.
So how do you see the future of your company?
There is a huge meltdown at this point. There is a recession in the country. There is a global recession. So why recession only in India? At the same time, one must understand India is a very large country. We have only 15% of people with regular homes. There's a huge population without homes. I'm sure there's a lot of potential. That is number one. Number two, India is the weakest infrastructure. So there's a possibility of large infrastructure projects coming up in this country. People want better roads, better homes, better water facilities, better power facilities. So for an infrastructure company of our nature, there's a huge growth potential possible. We'll focus on that, even if there's a lowdown at this point of time. We are not disheartened. We'll wait for the times to change, and it will change. And we are planning for the long run. We are not in the short run.
What do you say that people actually want from real estate today?
Value for money. People are looking at their savings as very precious. So everybody is looking at what you can give for every rupee that they give you. Especially in South India, they are very conservative. They look at all options. They look at what are all the possibilities. They want to stretch that every rupee that given to you, they get the maximum benefit. They want for the family, they want for the children, they want for everyone they live with in the home. So keeping in that mind, we are building our communities in such a way that you have something for the child, you have something for the parents, you have something even for the grandparents. So that is the way people look at projects, and we will fulfill that need.
That's very interesting, sir. So on a more personal note, how did you get into real estate?
I've been in projects for a very, very long time. I was in Gammon, India for some time, which is a construction company. Then I was in one of the largest Swiss companies, Buehler, building large projects in India. And obviously Hallmark is also an infrastructure company. So it was a logical conclusion of what I was doing in the last 20 years.
So what would you say is your philosophy in life?
Believe in yourself, believe in your country, believe in the projects that India has to offer. And I believe India is still to see the golden period, in spite of all the problems that the country is facing at this point of time. There's still a great future for this country and people.
Thank you, sir, for spending your time with us. It was a very informative session.
Thank you very much.